Hello guys, you're welcome on my channel again. It's your boy to the Z, to the he, to the hair, to the high, to the ho, to the hem. Yeah, today, all of a sudden, boat suspended me on boat and I was told to go for an inspection. Well, my car is so rough and I needed to do some kind of panel beating work. So I walk up straight to my panel beater and he told me to go and bring 60,000 naira. I said, 60 wish, 60 bosa, 60 b. I said I don't have that. So I was thinking of way out. So I remember a friend of mine that does as an artist and he does a lot of painting. So I spoke to him and I said, Mr. Lekon, we can do this together now. Why me not buy the materials and let's try and see how we can work out things. So I went on YouTube, I started watching videos on how to paint cars, and I actually found videos on how to paint cars. So since then, we'll put else together. We agree, okay, let's buy the materials and let's work this out. So in this video you see my own handwork.
You can see on the back the job has just started, guys. You can see that, right? Yeah, I'm on this one. Yeah, the job has just started. By the time I'm done with this, I will show you the transformation of this car. By the time we're done with this, you guys, you will like it. You'll like it. Those are the materials aboard to get the job done. These are the paints. You know, this is Chromax. You can see this. Yeah, I got enough to get the job done. So you see the transformation, guys. Guys, as you can see, Mr. Lekon is on this one. I call him genius because I won't lie to you guys. This man has always been back to back amazing me. From being an artist to being, to being so creative, to so many things I cannot even imagine. Can you see this? I don't know what to say. Come on, let me show you something. See this? Just taught me how. By the time we are done with this, you will see. You like it. You like it. See the other side. I just taped this one. I'm very happy doing this, honestly. And I would like to tell you that this man is always amazing me. He's amazing me. So guys, I'd like you to continue tuning into my channel. You continue to see more videos like this, creative videos like this, of creative ideas, creative things. Don't let anybody discourage you. You can actually do it yourself. You just need to put skills together and get an expert to do this. Yeah. So by the time we are done, hey, you will like this. Wow, you can see this. This is Mr. Lekon. He's on it. Yeah, can you see that? Mr. Lekon, show them now. When I see your face now.
That's so. This is
yeah,
how
we are happy doing this, bro. We're happy doing this, honestly. You're gonna see the end of this, I promise you. I'm just showing you the rough work. Yeah, it's looking like it already. It's looking like it. This is real, man. This is real. We didn't edit this one, it's real. Yeah. Yeah, it's your boy on this. I got this one, guys. Just keep watching. You see the transformation of this. I got you. Oh. Yeah guys, it's the end of day one. I'm so tired right now. In fact, Mr. Lekon has just left me here. Mr. Lekon has run away, he left me here. So guys, let me just show you briefly what we were able to achieve today. We were able to put the fillers, and we were able to block the lights, the vendor, the screen. Yeah, the screen. I actually did this myself. I taped the windows, the lights. So we're done with the filler. We're done with the filler. You can see that. Yeah, we're done with that right now. So we're about to move on to day 2, where the painting will take place. So we got this. We got these guys. So guys, this is the day 2. The job is going on. As you can see, Mr. Lekon is here. He's healthy, he's strong, he's full of passion and energy. Let me just show you a brief of what he's doing right now.
Yeah, so here Mr. Lekon is just doing the mixing of the paints. So like you can see, he's mixing, and yes, he's mixing the paints right there. It's, the paint together with
So this is Mr. Lekon here. He has already started with the painting. He has started with the painting. So let's keep moving, guys. Okay. Yeah, we're on this, man. Yeah, can you see that? Me and Mr. Lekon. Yeah. This is Mr. Lekon. Yeah. He's on this one. Let's go there, guys. I'm the almost here. This is my Oga. Anyways, I've not been a bad homosexual. I've not been a bad homosexual. At least I tried. Out of 100, I'll score myself 80. Even my Oga cannot doubt it.
This is Mr. Lekon on this. I'm actually tired at this time because I'm behind the camera, so I'm the one behind the camera, so I do a lot of handling camera. I'm the errand boy in this job, but seriously, my experience on this job in just 2 days is not small. Don't joke with me. And paint your car.
shock you. I'll shock you that I will paint your car. It will shock you that I will paint your car. So this is nice. YouTubers, Transparency TV's lovers, Zillion lovers, keep subscribing to my channel. Keep loving my channel. Thank you. Right back. So guys, this is the final projection of the work done. Like you can see, everything is clean now and smooth. You can see all kudos and job well done to Mr. Lekon. I'll show you his face right now. So tired. He has been up and doing since morning, and of course this is a very nice job. Mr. Lekon is here seated with his red face. Mr. Lekon, may they see your face now. Yeah, that's Mr. Lekon. So he's on this one, he got this one. Let me show you the rear view from distance. You can see that. Let me zoom in a bit. Wow, the work is just done. Like you can see, very clean. So that's a nice Mr. Lekon. So nice also. This is Transparency TV. I'll be signing out. It's your boy to the Z, to the E, to the H, to the I, to the O, to the N. Thank you for watching my channel. Keep subscribing. Bye for now.